Real estate team leaders, do you ever feel like you have an agent meeting and your team's not actually doing what you say and they seem to forget everything that you said in that meeting? Well, I got an AI solution for all you, so no longer do you have to have someone to take a whole bunch of notes and provide details on what you expect after the meeting. This AI application is going to do this instantly on whatever team meetings you have, so all your agents know exactly what they need to do and they're totally informed. And then you can keep track with exactly what you said and didn't say on these presentations to hold your agents more accountable. Because I know building my team, a lot of times it seemed like there was miscommunication and they didn't think I would tell them exactly what I was wanting them to do. When now using this application, it's like, hey, no, 100%, this is what you guys were supposed to do. This is what I said. I got all the meeting notes right here. And this is how we were supposed to be moving forward with this project. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group, and I know a lot of team leaders struggle with communication. I personally struggled with that building my team and felt like I was always repeating myself and almost needed like a scribe or a note taker for every meeting we have just to make sure that my agents didn't misinterpret what I'm saying or didn't remember what I was saying when we implemented some new thing or something was coming down the pipe that I wanted them to prepare for. Now I have all our meetings on Zoom and I use this one application in order for it to transcribe and take meeting notes and send it out to our whole entire team after so they know exactly what to expect leading up into that week and what to prepare for. And that is tactic.iq. So this is an extension that you can use with Zoom that's going to plug in and do note taking and do all your meeting recordings right there on Zoom and be able to redirect all that in order out to your real estate team. I'm sure every single team leader here has had it where nope, they're not doing exactly what I said, and this application is going to solve that. And one of the biggest things that people need to realize as the market is going down, me and my team's sales continue to increase, and it's because we're using tools in artificial intelligence to solve some of the major problems so we become more efficient. So if you're a real estate agent and a team leader and you want to learn exactly how to start using artificial intelligence in order to communicate better with your team, get them more sales, like our Facebook ad strategy with AI tools, for every $1,000 that you would invest in ads is going to produce you $10,000 in commission. So if you want to learn exactly what AI tools and how to implement that into your business, you're going to want to take my course where I outline exactly every step that you can do in order to become a artificial intelligence agent. And this is an amazing, unique selling proposition, because what other agent are you going to be competing against if they're a buyer or seller with you saying, hey, we have artificial intelligence on our side in order to provide you a better service? This is going to be a game changer value proposition.